Assalamu alaikum children. I am Miss Ghazal. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, as you know that there are 26 letters in English and it contains 5 vowels like A, E, I, O, U, and rest of all are consonants. Children, in our previous video, we discussed about vowels. Now today we will discuss about the consonants. Children, in this page, we will underline the consonants. Children, this is a word is cup. So U is a vowel and rest of 2 are consonant. So you have to underline consonants C and P because both are the consonants. This word is sun, S-U-N, sun. And in this word, U is a vowel. So you have to underline S and N. Children, which one is the vowel? Yes, very good. I is a vowel. So you have to underline T and N. Now children, tell me which one is the vowel? A, very good. So you have to underline P and N because both are consonants. And in this word, I is a vowel because how many vowels? A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. So I is a vowel and both are the consonants. So you have to underline D and G. Children, in this word, E is a vowel. So you have to underline R and D because both are consonants. And which one is the vowel, beta? Yes, A is a vowel. And which one is the consonants? Both are consonants. P and N are consonants. So you have to underline P and N. And in this word, E is a vowel and N and T are consonants. Very good. So you have to underline N and T. This word is a van. So A is a vowel and V and N are consonants. Children, in this word O is a vowel and M and P are consonants. So you have to underline M and P. And the last one is fad. F-E-D, fad. E is a vowel and F and D are consonants. So you have to underline F and D. Children, this is your new phonic language series. 3 means P-L-S. So open this book. Children, open the page number 12. This page we have already done. You will do this page means page number 12, 13 and 11 means your home assignment is 11, 12 and 13. I hope you will understand that how can we do this work. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.